guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I got a new container for all my fidgets and I just wanted to know if you guys want to help me out. So at first, at top, I am going to put all my puppets. So I got that one. Just take this off, there we go. Just gonna put my puppets inside. These ones, and that. Remember my others and this mini one, and this bracelet. I got all my puppets are packed up. Now let's put it in. And just stand up. Here we go. Next, we're gonna put all my normal fidgets inside here. The squishies. My moonball. Close. My infinity cube. My fidget spinners. My monkey noodles and this texture one. This, I don't remember what it's called. This, no, never mind. These two. This mochi. This, what's it called? And something. And yeah. Next one. Okay, all my broken ones. This rhino. This one. I'm scaring people. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. I'm afraid it's responsible. Yeah. Let's move on.